thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we are going through how to process wages for salaried employee. Alrighty, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster program here. So before we do anything, just make sure you are on the correct pay period ending. If you got few pay period endings set up for each and every employee, in this case you will have a different date in bold, so just to indicate you got different pay period ending. So in my case I will be selecting 17th January 1. Then you click on wages. I got only one salaried employee, that's John. So before we process any timesheet for John, let me quickly show you what should be the correct setup for the salaried employee. So make sure I'm looking at John. You click on employment and payment options. So I'm using standard pays. What's mean every week this employee will get paid 38 hours as to match up with his salary, agreed salary. And the payslip option, this salary option need to be ticked. Okay, then we go into wages. Click anywhere in the white area, so the program will automatically import the 38 hours as per the default pay rate here. Yes, of course you can change the pay rate if you need it to, but by default it will be import the default pay rate how you set it up for the employee. And you can click on next option. Just in case if you're having issues if you're not seeing the next option here, that might be because you are not on a full screen of this timesheet or the wages screen. So the easy fix is maximize the wages screen like that, so you can see all the options from the bottom. Click on next. In the adjustment screen, if you want to add any allowances or anything like that, you can. So in my case, this employee set it up a salary sacrifice superannuation, so I will get rid of that one to show you. So yeah, it would be normal gross wages, tax, superannuation and banking. Okay, just going to next. So now we can go through the payslip to be just say salary, taxable gross, and this employee got a tax adjustment. If you want to know about this, go through our YouTube videos or the help center articles we go through with earlier. What is the tax, extra tax, how you can set it up in the program, and the net. So this basic will be complicated, but if you do have any questions regarding this payslip, or if you're not quite sure how to set this up, you can always contact us to get more information. All right, then if the gross tax and the superannuation is correct, you're happy with the numbers, you can save the payslip. It is always best practice and recommended you to double check or go through each and every line item in the payslip before you save it, so that will save some time for you in the future. If it's something not right, you can always go back and redo the payslip. Alrighty, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book a one-on-one consulting and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.